Alright, what is going on, guys? My name is Ibra, and today we will be making a YouTube clone. This is my first YouTube tutorial on this channel, and hopefully it goes great to begin with. So in this video I'll walk through what kind of tools we will be using and what kind of tools you will be needing. So for our text editor, we're going to be using Visual Studio Code. So I'll be obviously working on Windows, so if you guys want to download the Mac OS or Linux if you're on Linux. We'll also be using Vue.js as our front-end client, and we'll also be using Node.js as well. So that's going to be our package manager as well. So to get started, if you guys download Visual Studio, now I already have it downloaded and installed, so I won't be going through that. And as for the Vue, you guys need to, so depending on whichever package manager you're using, I'll be using npm. If you're using yarn, then you should do yarn add. So we'll be using this one here, npm install -add vue CLI. So once you do have that, if you just copy and paste it over to over in here. Now I won't run this because I already have it. After you do that, if you just do vue -- version, it'll tell you the version that you have currently installed. And as for installing, just download the long-term support Node.js installation, and I already have that. So if you go back to Visual Studio Code or whichever ID you guys are using, if you just do node -- version, version, you will see whichever version you have installed. Now to get started, let's create a new folder. Let's call this YouTube. I'm gonna open that up, and if we right click, open with code. So the way I actually did open with code, once you guys go through the installation, there'll be a checkbox, and if you check it, it'll give you the option to right click and open with code. So after we've done that, if we open up our terminal, so the way I opened it up there, if we just do control and I think it was backtick or control plus comma, if we do view create app or view create YouTube, and that will give us a template. And if we click default, actually not default, I believe, because that won't show up free, we will need to just override. Do manually select features. We want Babel. We also want lint for now, and we will need ESLint prettier. So these are going to be some of the extensions that we will also be using. We want lint on save. We want dedicated config files, and you could click yes or no if you want to save it as a preset. I'm just going to say no. So I'm just going to wait until this gets installed. Alright, so once that is finished installing, I'm just going to quickly do something and open this up, and I'm just going to move these folders to the root folder because that's just how I like to have them in there. And then we're gonna right click, open this with VS Code. So after you have that done, we just do npm run serve. That will then serve up our application. And yeah, so there we have our application running up. So in the next video I will go through the extensions that we'll be using, so VS Code extensions.